I love to bake bread, but until now, I never had a really good way to store it to keep it fresh. I baked 2 loaves of bread today, and these reusable bread bags are really coming in handy. They are organic cotton canvas on the outside, so you can wash the outside bag, but the inside bag, this is an organic cotton and beeswax lining bag that actually keeps your bread fresh and all that moisture locked in. This is not washable. You can rinse this off in the sink if you need to, or wipe it, but it's not washable. This is machine washable. They're both freezer safe, so if you want to make a bunch of bread ahead of time and stick some in the freezer to keep it fresher for a lot longer, you can definitely do that too. They are drawstring bags, so you can just cinch them closed like this. You can hang them up in your kitchen if you want, toss them in the freezer. They hold a lot of bread. I love how sustainable these are, how they're organic, they're made out of beeswax, they don't have all that plastic nasty material in it, and I can actually put enough bread away so I'm not cooking it every single day. If you are interested in these reusable bread bags, then I'm going to put the Amazon link down in the description.